Hey friends, Drew here with a fun little project tonight. A customer called us because they had a little incident between the car and the corner post of the garage door and had the garage door wall pushed in about 4 inches from where it needed to be. And they needed to get that put back together. Thankfully, in this case, the garage door is able to shut, but sometimes when this happens, you can't even shut the garage door. So we got our jack out. We've taken the weight off the wall just a little bit, and then show you the other side here. As soon as we lifted that up, this actually started to go back into place where it needed to be. A little motivation here with the sledgehammer. They did crack out the bottom plate, but thankfully it did not crack any of the uprights, the 2x4s, the structural stuff that I would be concerned about. All of that moved as a unit, and everything looks pretty clean. So we're gonna let the weight go back down on this. I'll probably throw a Tapcon or something down here in the bottom, and then we'll grab some pretty long screws to try to suck that front edge back together and get them back in business so they can open and shut the door and do everything that they need to do, and then throw that drywall back up. So this is one of those kind of unique things where when we say what problem can we solve for you, this is exactly what we're talking about. So if you've got some sort of home repair emergency, something comes up that you can't handle, or you want to build your custom dream house, give us a call, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗗𝘁 Construction Renovation, extension 2 for new projects. We are your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078, 𝗗𝘁 Construction Renovation. Remember, when we're done with it, you're going to be proud to say it's not just done, it was 𝗗𝘁 built. We'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.